What's up guys, and welcome back to Software and Hardware Solutions. Today I'm going to be showing you how to speed up your Windows 10 by taking these 3 or 4 or 5 steps that I'm going to be showing you right now. And I'm going to do it really quick and simple and easy. I'm not going to make this video half an hour long for you to basically fall asleep to my video. I'm one of those guys that makes a short clip and just gets straight to the point. So like I said, I'm going to get straight to the point. Alright, first thing that you're going to do is you press the Windows key and R, and it's going to bring up the Run tab like that. Alright, or you could do it like this. You go to the search bar and you type in Run. Cool. You see that Prefetch over there? I'm going to get to that in a later stage. Alright, so this is what you're going to do. You press Shift, you press 5, which brings up the percentage symbol. You type in temp, Shift 5 again, percentage symbol, Enter. Now, everything inside this folder is temporary files that your Windows creates. Take everything that's inside here and delete it. What you can do is you can either go all the way down like this, and just take forever to get to the bottom because you might have millions of things in here because this is maybe the first time you've ever gone in here, right? What you do is you click on one of the things, press Control and A, that selects everything, right click on it and say delete. Then it's going to ask you permission to continue. Click on the square box, say continue, then close out of it, go to your recycling bin and say empty recycling bin and say yes. Then it will delete everything that was inside that temporary files, right? Now we do another step. This is the second step. You press the Windows key and R and delete. Or like I said, you could do it like this. You go to the bottom and you type in Run. All right. So now you type in Prefetch. Just like that. Press Enter. Everything inside here is prefetched files that Windows goes and fetches. So you just delete everything that's inside here. Some of them won't be deleted. Like this. It can't be deleted because Windows is currently using this file. So all you do is, you see there's another one. Because Windows is using that files right now, you just skip it. Cool, awesome. You go to your recycling bin, you empty your recycling bin, and you say yes. And there we go. So now you cleaned out all those prefetch files, and you cleaned out all the temporary files. Those are just temporary files that your Windows, you might just deleted, I don't know, 5 gigs, 10 gigs to 20 gigs, depending on how long or you've had your PC and you've never done that before. So you might have deleted a lot of gigs right now, and you might have just speeded up your PC by like 10 to 20% just by doing that. All right, so now that's the next step that you can take. You go to the search bar at the bottom, right? You see there's an edit power plan. So I'm just going to click here and type in power. Then you see edit power plan. You click on it. You go to change advanced power settings, right? Now you choose high performance. I recommend high performance for low budget PCs or low budget laptops. If you've got a good enough computer or a good enough laptop, go to ultimate performance. And this one that I'm going to do now is for everyone. Doesn't matter if you have a slow computer, a slow laptop, or a good laptop. You go to hard disk. You open up hard disk. You click here. Yours will most likely say 10 minutes or 20 minutes. What this does is it turns off your hard drive to go in sleep mode. You do not want your hard drive to go in sleep mode. So you delete every number that's in there and you type in 0 and you say apply. So now your hard drive will constantly stay on. It will never go to sleep. If it's on 10 minutes to 20 minutes, after 10 to 20 minutes, your hard drive goes to sleep. Then once you move your mouse, your hard drive starts working again. You keep it on 0, your hard drive will constantly be on and responsive. Now let's get to the next step. We go down, we go to processor power management. We go to minimum. You make this 100 because yours will most likely be 20%, 30%, 40% there around. You just make it 100% and you say apply. You go down and make sure that this is on 100. It should automatically be on 100 because that's maximum, right? You say okay, you close out of it. And then what you do is you go to start, go to power, go to restart, and then you restart your PC. Once you restarted your PC and you get to your desktop again, you should have a small little bit of performance increase, but not a lot, because this is the tip for your reboot and for your PC to boot up quicker. You press Control, Alt, Delete. Now you're going to see a black screen. Sorry, because I'm looking at lock, switch user, sign out, change password, task manager. I click on my task manager comes up like this. Then you go to startup. Then everything inside here, you might have a lot of things that's enabled. You might have everything enabled. Disable everything except Windows stuff, like this, and that, and this. Don't disable them because Windows needs them. If you disable them, you might just not be able to boot into Windows again, and you might have to reinstall Windows. So disable Cortana, disable stuff like if you're a gamer, like Origin, Steam, stuff like that. You can disable things like this. You can disable Zoom meetings and all those things. You can just disable all of them, and it will increase the startup of your laptop or your PC. It will increase it by a lot. Doesn't matter if you have a solid state drive or a mechanical hard drive or an M.2. This speeds up your Windows once it boots up, because what this does is if everything's enabled and I restart my computer, all of these things starts running in the background of my PC once I boot up my system. Once you boot up your laptop or your PC. So like I said, disable everything you don't need, and then all you do is you close out of everything, you go to the start button, you go to power, and you go to restart, and you'll see a performance increase in your startup. You'll see a performance increase on your PC itself. And that's just simple tips and tricks that a lot of people don't know about. And yeah, thanks guys. I appreciate it. Peace out.